But when I read the Bible, there is this revival that says the Bible, in the end days, I'm gonna pour my spirit upon all flesh. The sons and they will prophesy. And your sons, they'll be prophets. Your elders, they'll see visions. I'll pour my spirit upon the males and the females. This revival, according to the Bible, pouring of the power of the Spirit. At times we campaign and rename it under the revival. What will block the revival to go accordingly? Is that at times when the revival commences, we won't be according and pay attention to it. You see, the first thing that is going to hinder this revival to commence,
it's a spiritual immaturity.